What's up guys, welcome back to the Angelo Archives, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to make money online. Today I am filming you from beautiful Bali in front of some rice fields. And being Asian, it's only fitting that I film you in front of rice fields because I guess Asians eat a lot of rice. Yup, that, I'm going home. Alright, let's try that again. I get a lot of questions on how to make magic internet money or where to start. Well, I'm here today to give you a few ideas on how to get started, and hopefully in time you'll be able to scale one or more of these industries and grow it into your own full-time business. Excuse me for the change in scenery once again, but there's just way too much background noise to make outdoor filming a viable option. God f***ing gecko, shut the f*** up. But before we move on, I want to preface this by saying that these are the most basic ways of making money online. Yes, I know there are online wizards out there who specialize in advanced marketing techniques or brand building or e-commerce and who are absolutely killing it. And more power to you, my dudes. You truly deserve to reap all the rewards of your hard work and labor. But this video is geared more towards those looking to branch away from the traditional 9-to-5 that we've been so conditioned to believe in for decades. Those who are looking to break the barrier of entry into the online world and take their first step into a digital profession. In addition, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. There's lots of phony online gurus out there that are like, look, I'm gonna make you $1,000 a day and look at my life and I live such a fantastic life and I jet set and travel the exotic world and all that and you can join me too if you just subscribe and pay. No, it's not like that. What you learn here will start off as perhaps a side hustle that if you pick up enough momentum, it'll eventually turn into a full-time gig. Moving on, number 4. Freelancing. For those new to working online, your two best friends are Fiverr and Upwork. Fiverr and Upwork are online freelancing platforms where you can find gigs based on whatever skills you have. Most people get intimidated when it comes to the thought of working online. They think you have to be really technically skilled in order to make any money on the internet with jobs like coding or computer programming or web design, when in reality, that's not actually the case. On a quick side note, Fiverr and Upwork are actually our go-to websites for They Will Kill You and for other YouTube channels when we're short on staff like writers or editors or whatever. The dude that you hear on They Will Kill You with the scary British accent?
The cold and unforgiving regions of the Northern Hemisphere are home to some of the largest and most dangerous creatures on Earth. Join us today as we count down the top 9 deadliest animals of the Arctic.
That's Carl, my voiceover guy, who I found on Upwork. He's actually a professional voiceover artist who responded to one of our posts on Upwork, and ever since then, he's been a regular on our channel, and he's been amazing. Another success story is my video editor, Cornell, who also runs a channel, Crazy Random Cool. He edits together all my videos for They Will Kill You, and he's able to get so much work from Upwork and through word of mouth that he's actually been able to expand his staff and hire people to work for him too. Anyways, back to Fiverr and Upwork. Take a quick glance at Fiverr in their lifestyle section, and you'll see that people are selling jobs for a huge range of skills like arts and crafts, celebrity impersonations, and even astrology. Like, what the f***? Who believes in astrology and let alone who would even pay for it? But apparently there's a market for it. Bottom line is that you can take whatever it is that you're good at and monetize off of it. And if you're like me and not good at anything, learn something new. This brings me to number 3. Online education. Yes, you can learn for free online and at your own pace. Did you know that I spent 4 years and tens of thousands of dollars on a math degree at the University of Washington? And no, I don't use any of it. Why waste all this precious time and money at a university when you can acquire the same, if not better skills for free and on your own schedule? With sites like Code Academy and Udemy, you can learn useful and practical skills like HTML, JavaScript, and even machine learning, and get up and running and performing freelance gigs in no time. The best part is that a lot of the basics are available to learn for free. All it takes is dedication and a driving desire to learn. Still seem overwhelming to you? Then let's move on to number 2. Foreign languages. If you're watching this video, then I'm assuming you have a pretty good grasp of the English language. Well, if you like to talk and technical skills just aren't up your alley, then get certified to teach English online. One of my good friends here in Southeast Asia is another Filipino who is also raised in America, who teaches English part-time for between 15 to 20 hours a week. This helps him cover his monthly expenses and still enables him to build his online brand on the side. So Marvin, start off, what are some websites that you can recommend for people interested in teaching English online?
Yeah, definitely. So after my male modeling career ended, I decided to teach English online. So I first started on italki.com and Preply. Those sites, actually, you can teach any foreign language and you actually set your own rate. So it's a great place to start, build your clientele and set your own rates. And foreign languages also do really well. I have a friend that's teaching Dutch and she charges quite a bit of money. And I have a neighbor teaching French and he's already starting $30 an hour. So there's definitely some opportunities there. Also, if you want somewhere that's a little bit more consistent, you could do Cambly.com. It's only for native speakers though, only for native speakers. It's $10 an hour. However, they charge per minute. It's an interesting kind of slightly creepy way of teaching English because people can just book you for like 5 minutes to 15 minutes to 30 minutes, but over time they'll just become your regulars. And then if you really want to make a lot of money teaching English, I don't teach on this platform, but a lot of my friends here do. It's called VIP Kid. So VIP Kid, you're making about $20 to $25 an hour teaching English to Chinese kids. They're super, super cute. It's just, I'm not a big fan of kids. So that leads me on to what I teach is actually on Like a Shoe. So Like a Shoe I teach basically business English or common English to adults all over China. It's a really fun and very interactive. And the great part is that they set up all the lesson plans. So all I have to do is just show up.
Teaching a language isn't just specific to English either. There's a huge demand for native German, French, Chinese, and
insert language here
speakers that you can teach or translate for. Before we move on to number 1, be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell button to get notified of new videos, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Number 1, vacation rentals. Maybe all this is still too much of a time commitment for you because you're working a full-time day job or have a family to raise. Well, then why not rent out that extra guest house out back or the casita you never use? With online brokerage sites like Airbnb and VRBO, you can capitalize on all that extra space by renting out your rooms to travelers on a budget. And no, you don't have to rent out your entire house or apartment. For example, with the private room option available on Airbnb, you can rent out just your extra bedroom or just the basement and living space. Some people have even scaled this industry into an entire full-time business, like my poker coach. He runs a successful 6-figure vacation rental business from the comfort of his own home. He doesn't even own a laptop. He just manages all his bookings from his iPhone. This industry is so promising that even this guy decided to branch into it too. Check out the new place that we just got in California that we purchased solely for Airbnb and VRBO. That's all for today, guys. I hope this video got your mind jogging with a few ideas on how to make that magic internet money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon in the next video. And as always, feel free to reach out to me at any time in the comment section below.